Welcome to Invictus Motors. We've got this Maserati Levante. This is the 2020 plate Maserati Levante. A customer of ours is actually trading this in to purchase a beautiful sort of similar exotic car to this. And he's actually had this not for a long period of time, because he's only really purchased it, I think it was in November 2024, directly from HR Owens in Hatfield. And but here it is. It still has the main dealer warranty with the vehicle, and also another service, which is the 6-year service that's within the service plan of the main dealer, HR Owens. Ryan's kindly gone through every nook and cranny, and so far it's been in absolutely fantastic condition, and you've found some things to have actually been renewed and done.
Yeah.
Just take us through it and just tell us what you've got so far.
Basically, we've gone under the car, checked all of your usual bushes on the front, checked for oil leaks, checked the exhaust system, made sure all the hangers are in good condition, checked the rear arms, just make sure it's all straight, it's all been well looked after. Just doing your usual checks. I believe this car's had a new air compressor for the suspension, which isn't a biggie really. Great, it's been done. One less thing for anyone to worry about. It's got no, we've scanned it for codes, usual codes. There's no codes on this vehicle.
No play from any of the
No
suspension
play,
linkages whatsoever.
nothing. It's literally like it's brand new.
All the tyres are the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres.
Yep.
And they've all basically brand new tread on it.
That one's just been replaced.
Yeah. But they're all actually dated and stamped.
Let me find it.
To be less than 1 year old.
Yeah, 23.
Yeah. So they're both 23. Date stamped from 23, but obviously that's one they've left factory, and the back ones are from 24.
Yep.
Overall, I think this is the kind of a car that you'd give an absolute A+.
Oh, this is a very good one.
Yeah.
Around, see if there's any sort of wear, but literally not even the top arm's got movement in it, nothing. Both sides are the same. Literally, there is nothing in them. I can pull the suspension, literally. Right, there's nothing in them arms, which is good. It means this car's been very well maintained. Like the previous owner has done really well with this car. Like, it's testament to a good owner, this car. It really is. Like, this is how cars should be maintained. If it has any problems, it should be done. Right, you're not playing with £400 or £500 cars. These are 20 grand, 30 grand.
When they were brand new, these were 100k plus.
100 grand.
Yeah. So,
which is impressive.
It is impressive. I mean, to be able to kind of get it at the kind of values you can now, all these years later, and just obviously dropping it all the way down. This is the spec. It's called the Nerissimo spec.
Is that about right?
Yeah. So, and what you get with that spec is actually, let me just show you on the back door, is you know, you get the air suspension, you've got the interior in this color combination, you've got the glass roof. Soft doors. Yeah,
Soft close all round.
Mark is actually the owner of this, and obviously he wanted something else, because this being a car that's, I think your wife found it to be a quite
too loud, too blue, too
Yeah.
big. All those things, probably not in that order.
yeah.
No, it's a nice car, isn't it?
I understand that, and obviously he's gone ahead with something a little bit more understated. Overall, the paintwork is absolutely spot on. There's no scratches, there's no damages anywhere paintwork wise. We like to do these videos just to show you around this vehicle, just so you know what you're getting in terms of the condition of the vehicle. And that's all I have so far in this video. And I'll quickly, in the office, show the paperwork. So join us in. This is Mark's new purchase, basically. It's a very rare spec Volkswagen Arteon. I mean, what do you think of this so far? What made you want to...
Yeah, no, it's nice. I used to have I used to have a Saab 95 many years ago.
Yeah.
It was a black estate, and very similar to this. And and so that's what I liked about it. I was going back to the car I used to have before, something very similar.
Yeah.
So with a bit of power. Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, and just to kind of show you around the whole car, in case you're just curious what Mark's new taste is like. This is an absolutely phenomena. In the UK, there's only one other one of these for sale. And if I was to show you the inside, this being the Arteon, it's almost like, I would say, C63 equivalent of an estate car, but produced by Volkswagen. I mean, just the spec is absolutely unbelievable. In terms of the service history, this was obviously first registered in 2020. So the first service they did in 2021, 12,764 miles. And the next one in 2023 at 24,332 miles, both at Maserati Hatfield. And that that 6-year service is due on that service plan. And it's free, completely free. That includes the engine oil filter, brake fluid, pollen filter, and the spark plugs as well. Whether they are, well, in this case, they would be 6 spark plugs because it's the V6. So that's completely free under that next service plan. So it's got a full service history. And also, when Mark purchased it, he purchased it with a 1-year warranty. Let me just quickly show you where that is. Oh, that's right there. Let's just get it up here. Yeah, so he purchased it, as you can see, on the 30th of November 2024. This is what it cost from the main dealer. I'm sure you can appreciate that big, massive markup that the main dealer has. And that's the warranty that he had supplied from the main dealer, which is transferable to the next private keeper. So I think somewhere in there was a bit of a fine print that we came across. But yeah, we did check the fine print, so it is transferable to the next private keeper. And that's everything on paperwork side of things. If it's something you're looking to buy, thank you for reaching out.